How to book flights and hotels on Expedia, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to easily book flights and hotels on Expedia step-by-step. Check the link in the description for Expedia's latest travel deals and coupon offers. I update it regularly, so don't miss out on extra discounts before you book. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Open your browser and search for Expedia.com. Click on the first official website that appears. Once the homepage loads, log into your account. I'm already logged in for this demo. At the top, you'll notice several tabs like flights, hotels, trains, things to do, and more. Click on the tab that best fits what you're looking for. Next, choose the flight from where to where you prefer. Expedia will now show you a list of available flights. You can filter results by airline, price, flight duration, or departure time using the options on the left side. When you find one that fits your schedule and budget, click Select or Continue. Hotel. Expedia gives you the option to bundle it with your flight. This often gives you extra savings. Click Add a hotel, then search by your destination and travel dates. Choose your hotel, room type, and click Continue. And remember, check the link in the description for the latest Expedia hotel coupons and limited-time flight bundle offers. Now review all your details: flight times, hotel check-in dates, traveler names and prices. Make sure everything looks correct. Scroll down to the payment section, enter your credit or debit card details and your billing information, and then click on Complete Booking to confirm your Expedia booking is complete, and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly. And don't forget, check the link in the description below for exclusive Expedia.com discount codes to save even more on your next booking. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.